Hey everybody! I figured I'd give you one more chance to hear this 30s Dobro before it's sent off. This time I'm using a steel, and I'm playing lap style. Of course, it's on my workbench, not on my lap. But you're going to notice, compared to the slide finger style that I did a minute ago, the playing it with a steel, lap style, really brings out a whole other kind of voice and texture and magical quality to these neat old instruments. Isn't that pretty? So now you've heard the same instrument with the same strings in the same tuning, played both as a lap style with a steel and with the ceramic slide finger style, and how different the same exact guitar can sound just by different technique. Isn't that neat? Have a great day.